beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Ruth. Welcome to the family, and please consider subscribing if you love my content. So today we are doing a lot of unboxing, and the first one is we are going to be unboxing together what YouTube sent us for Christmas. It's an early Christmas gift and I'm super excited, and that's why we are going to be unboxing with you guys, because this is our gift. We are having this gift together because you are the people who keep supporting me, coming back to watch my videos, liking, sharing. So please continue. We are getting noticed, so we're gonna be unboxing that early Christmas gift with you, and I haven't checked what is inside, so we are going to do that with you guys. So let's get into it. So here is my box. I'm not gonna show you the other part because that is my details and my address. So this is what I received from YouTube, and I'm going to be unboxing with you. So you need a knife to cut the box, and slowly we can unbox. Ta-da! Amazing! Voila! This is our YouTube gift. Super amazing. I can already see what is inside the box. Let's unbox together, guys. Carton is very well labeled. Ooh, nice. Okay, what do we see? Here we get a very beautiful card. At the back it has YouTube. And what does it say? Happy holidays, dear creator. A little gift from the YouTube team to you to reward you for all your amazing creativity. Wow, such a beautiful card. I love it. Nice. And there is something else, a mystery box inside. Oh, let's see. It's heavy. Ah, nice. Google official match shop. Nice. YouTube play button. Google. Oh, let's see. Oh, what could this be? It's heavy like a cup. Oh, nice. Oh, it's something delicate for sure. Oh, I wonder what this is. Oh, let's move on. Let's unbox. There's a bun here. There's a wrap. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, this is what I want for my space. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow, I love it with the YouTube logo. Oh, amazing. Oh, these are very thoughtful gifts. Thank you so much, YouTube, for seeing my creativity and rewarding it. Oh, this is amazing. It is delicate and cute for sure. Love it. This is how it looks. Oh, I love it. Oh wow. Next, I can already see something. I have a sweater, and we're gonna tear this up and see. Woo! Ho. Oh, I got a Christmas sweater. Oh, how amazing. It's super beautiful. I got it in the size small. Oh, how amazing. I will wear it for all of us to see. Oh, guys, see? This is what we got together with you. But I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. And I'm super happy with what I got for Christmas. And now it's time to try out the sweater. Let's do that. And then I come back and show you. Alright. Toodles, and here I am. Oh my gosh. Oh, the sweater is super beautiful. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I love the arms. Very warm. This is nice. I love it. It's long enough if you're tall. And you can also tuck it in a little bit. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I love, 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 love it. Oh, my hair is doing that thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you so much, YouTube, for rewarding my creativity and rewarding my fans for always supporting me. Yes, this is a win for all of us. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my videos. Please like, subscribe. Editing all the videos and coming up with the video ideas from what your comments are saying, because I want all of us to participate and to learn and share with each other so that we can all learn and celebrate together, because that is the channel theme every time. Okay, so I'm super happy. I look really nice with this sweater. I can't wait to take pictures at the Christmas dinner, or when we make our Christmas tree, which we haven't really finished setting up. That is why I haven't shown you yet, but we're gonna be doing that. Oh, I'm super happy with this and the beautiful globe. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, YouTube, for gifting me the sweater. I will find a home for my gifts and keep on creating. Oh, those are nice gifts from YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. And thank you guys for always supporting my work, because that's why we got the gift. So, moving on, I have also lots and lots of other unboxing. My husband was really lovely and he treated me to a shopping this week, and guess what I got? Winter is coming and I already got sweaters like this from a shop called Scapino. It's in Budel. So we went shopping. I have sweaters like these and a black one. I already love them. I also got a couple of jeans. If that is something you like, that is your jazz, you can also get very nice jeans. Yeah? I also got these shades of blue, others in black, and they are fitting really nice. I've been wearing them and they are nice. So if this is your kind of style, you can go there. They have lots and lots of discounts. This is not a sponsored video, but I love their items, so that's why I'm going to be sharing with you. So what else did I get? Ooh, I bought shoes because I want to be walking in the forest. Yes, I want to be walking in the forest for exercising. Ooh, these are super beautiful. Oh, you can see, and they are going for 59 euros. So love them. I'm a size 41, so they fit nicely and they look so good. Love them for the season. So if this is your type of jazz, you can also get very classic pairs of shoes from Scapino. This is Mountain Peak. I love the pair that I chose for myself and I'm happy with it. I can't wait to start exercising with them. I also got these brands, Harper, and these are boots. I love boots, and this is how they look. They have a zip. Inside they are warm, they are for winter, and this is how they look. Super cute, beautiful, very comfy. From me fitting them, I felt they are very comfortable and the heel is just perfect, so they are elevating my look, especially with jeans. I love them, and you can see how they look inside. So they are perfect for winter for sure, or for colder weather. And these are going for 79 euros. Yeah, going for 79 euros, but if you pick two, they have discounts on these items, so you can rush and go check something for yourself. The other one that I got is this one, XX by Max. Yeah, big box, super lovely. Let's see what's inside. I got boots. Oh, I love this kind of boots. I always wore boots when I was in Kenya and I loved them. These are very comfortable and I love them because I can also style my dresses and yeah, dress up, because why not? I love the heel. It's just the perfect length and it balances my legs, and this is how the boots look: smooth, long enough, and the inside is also very good. As you can tell, these are winter boots, so super nice, comfortable. From me trying them out, and I can't wait to rock them and show you the styles I'm gonna create with these boots. Yeah, so those are my little gifts that I have so far before Christmas. I'm super excited. These were gifts from my husband because yes, I need to prepare for winter, and I'm super happy with these buys, and I hope they are going to serve me nicely. So if you love this kind of shoes or jeans that are very price worthy and good stuff, then why not visit Scapino? Yeah, so that is it. And I also got this spray. I think it's going for around €7.99 to around €8, which is a waterproof trend spray for the shoes before you wear them, and then you can do it like once in a month or once in 2 weeks. So those are my unboxing purchases and gift from YouTube. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you soon in my next adventures. Love you and take care of yourselves. Mwah.